Welcome! Today, we're simplifying the process of adding a payment method to your Amazon Associates account. First, log into your Amazon Associates dashboard. It's your hub for affiliate success. Now, navigate to the Account Settings section to get started. Under Payment Information, select Add a Payment Method. This is your next step. Choose your preferred payment option, like direct deposit, and fill in the required details. Finally, review your information and click Save. You're now ready to receive earnings. And there you have it. You're all set to earn with Amazon Associates. Don't forget to keep your payment details updated for a seamless experience. For more tips, subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. Happy earning! Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes with persistence and the right tools. Until next time, take care and explore the opportunities ahead.